What do you think is the best job on the island of Sodor? A. Anything that shows the Fat Controller how really. What is your favourite activity? A. I like to take on jobs that prove I'm just as useful as the bigger engines. B. I like to work in the countryside where I came from. C. I like to get a wash down. What is your favourite place on the island of Sodor? A. What is your motto or favourite saying? A. What don't you like to do? A. I don't like to have to carry smelly fish to the docks. B. I don't like to have to push big engines up the hills. That is hard. C. What is your favourite number? A. Number 1, of course. You love to A. Deliver ice cream to cheering children at the seaside. What was one of your favourite adventures? A. I liked it when the children cheered for me when I brought them ice cream. B. I liked it when all of the other engines believed I could do something that I didn't think I could. Which engine would you most like to be for a day? A. I would like to be Gordon. Which of these qualities best describes you? A. I'm the number. Please wait while we add up your score. If you were an engine, you would be Thomas.
Take your whole family on a splendid day out to meet Thomas and friends. Enjoy an enchanting day as the island of Sodor comes to life. Meet Sir Topham Hatt, the Fat Controller, and enjoy a ride on your favourite number 1 engine. Have a magical day out with Thomas at a railway near you.